You want to see how I saved $4,000? Watch this. Well, I'm not a mechanic. I don't own a shop. I've never done body work before. All I did was look up a couple of YouTube videos and just did it. You can do the same thing. I'm sure there's some stuff out there that you've been meaning to do for a while, and there's videos to show you how to do it. Take this as a challenge to do it. And let me know in the comments what that's going to be. I'm looking forward to seeing it.